So basically gonna go ahead and add this and then see if there's any difference, report back to you guys in a couple days. Kind of comes out in this brown, or actually like a gray kind of color. So you're supposed to, I just did the oil change on this, so the oil is brand new, it's full synthetic. I'm going to add this to the C55 and also the E63. E63 has a light lifter noise, and I'm going to see if this can take care of that ticking noise, and this C55 is a little bit noisy, but no ticking. And then guys, here's this one. This is for the M156 motor. We're going to add it also to this vehicle to see if it'll reduce the ticking noise.